When we talk about decorating for Easter, many people immediately think about the dining table, the living room, or maybe a beautiful centerpiece. But today I want you to imagine something different. I want you to picture your front porch, because your front porch is the first impression of your home. It's the first thing your guests see, your neighbors see, and even you see every time you come back home. Easter front porch decoration is not just about placing a few pastel eggs outside. It's about creating a warm, joyful welcome that reflects the spirit of the season. Easter represents renewal, hope, light, and fresh beginnings. After the colder months, we naturally crave color, brightness, and life. Decorating your front porch for Easter allows you to visually celebrate that transition. It's like telling the world that spring has arrived and your home is ready to bloom again. That alone is one of the greatest benefits. It shifts the energy not only outside your house but also inside your heart. One of the biggest advantages of Easter front porch decoration is that it enhances curb appeal. Even simple additions like a wreath with pastel flowers, a few potted plants, and a soft welcome mat can completely transform your entrance. It makes your home look cared for, inviting, and full of personality. If you ever plan to sell your home or simply want to elevate its appearance, seasonal decor plays a powerful role in making a space feel alive and loved. Another beautiful benefit is the emotional impact. Decorations influence mood more than we realize. Soft colors like blush pink, baby blue, lavender, mint green, and creamy yellow create a calm and uplifting atmosphere. Adding natural elements like fresh flowers, greenery, and wooden accents brings a sense of harmony and freshness. Every time you walk through your front door and see that cheerful setup, it subtly lifts your spirit. Let's talk about ideas because this is where creativity really shines. One classic element is an Easter wreath. You can choose one made of faux tulips, daisies, or eucalyptus with small decorative eggs. If you prefer something rustic, a grapevine wreath with burlap bows and tiny nests can look charming and cozy. The wreath acts as a focal point and immediately sets the tone. Layering is another powerful decorating technique. Instead of placing just one item by the door, think in layers. Start with a seasonal doormat. You can layer a patterned outdoor rug underneath for extra texture. Then add height with lanterns on each side of the door. Inside the lanterns, you can place candles or even decorative eggs. Height variation makes the setup look intentional and well-designed. If you have steps leading up to your porch, use them. Line them with potted flowers like tulips, daffodils, or hyacinths. If fresh plants are not an option, high-quality faux flowers can still create a beautiful effect. You can also add small bunny figurines sitting near the pots. Just be careful not to overcrowd the space. Balance is key. You want it to feel festive, not cluttered. For those who love a farmhouse style, wooden crates can be your best friend. Stack a couple of crates and place a basket filled with pastel eggs or flowers on top. You can even incorporate a small chalkboard sign with a sweet spring message. Soft textures like woven baskets, cotton ribbons, and linen bows add warmth and authenticity. If your style is more modern and minimalist, you can still decorate beautifully for Easter. Stick to a limited color palette, maybe white and soft green with subtle egg accents. Choose clean-lined planters and symmetrical arrangements. Instead of many small decorations, focus on a few larger statement pieces like oversized decorative eggs or a sleek floral arrangement. Another important tip is to connect your Easter decor with nature. Spring is all about growth and freshness, so embrace organic materials. Wicker, rattan, wood, ceramic, and metal elements work beautifully. Mixing textures makes the space feel dynamic and thoughtfully curated. Easter front porch decoration also encourages creativity. It pushes you to experiment with color combinations and arrangements. You don't need a big budget. Many beautiful setups can be created using items you already have, simply refreshed with ribbons, paint, or floral accents. Even repainting an old planter in a soft pastel shade can make it feel brand new. Think about symmetry versus asymmetry. A symmetrical setup with matching planters on each side of the door feels elegant and formal. An asymmetrical setup, where decor is grouped more heavily on one side, feels relaxed and artistic. Decide what mood you want to create and design around that feeling. Scale is another important consideration. If your porch is small, avoid oversized decorations that overwhelm the space. Instead, choose compact elements and keep the arrangement airy. If you have a large porch, Don't be afraid to go bigger with statement pieces like a decorative Easter tree with hanging ornaments. And let's not forget functionality. Make sure your decor does not block pathways or make it difficult to open the door. Beauty should never compromise comfort or safety. And I want you to think about something very important. Your front porch is not just decoration. It's storytelling. It tells people what kind of home this is before they even step inside. When you decorate it for Easter, you are telling a story of joy, renewal, warmth, and celebration. You're saying that this home embraces the season, embraces life, and embraces beauty in the little details. Another powerful advantage of Easter front porch decoration is that it creates anticipation. Especially if you have children in your family or in your neighborhood, a decorated porch builds excitement. Imagine pastel eggs displayed in baskets, a playful bunny figure near the door, maybe even a small sign hinting that an egg hunt is coming soon. Creates magic. It makes the holiday feel real and alive, rather than just another date on the calendar. Let's talk about color psychology a little deeper. Easter is strongly associated with soft, airy tones. These colors reflect spring skies, blooming flowers, and fresh greenery. When you combine pastel tones with white accents, you create brightness and clarity. If you want something more vibrant, you can incorporate pops of coral, sunshine yellow, or even soft turquoise. The key is balance. Too many intense colors can feel chaotic, but a harmonious palette feels intentional and calming. Texture is just as important as color. Mixing smooth ceramic pots with woven baskets, wooden signs, soft fabric bows, and natural greenery adds depth. When someone looks at your porch, their eyes move from one texture to another, creating visual interest. This layered look makes your decor appear professionally styled, even if you created it yourself at home. Another idea that adds personality is incorporating height variation. Tall potted branches with hanging eggs can frame your doorway beautifully. Medium-height lanterns add structure. Smaller decorative elements like mini nests or floral arrangements fill in the lower spaces. This vertical layering makes the space feel complete and balanced. Ultimately, Easter front porch decoration is about more than aesthetics. It's about celebrating renewal, sharing joy with your community, and creating a welcoming atmosphere. It shows intention. It shows care. It transforms an ordinary entrance into a seasonal experience. When someone walks up to your home and sees soft flowers, gentle colors, and thoughtful details, they immediately feel warmth. They feel invited, and you feel proud of the space you've created. So as you think about decorating this Easter, don't limit your creativity to the inside of your home. Step outside. Look at your porch as a canvas. Play with colors, textures, heights, and natural elements. Create a space that reflects hope, freshness, and new beginnings. Because sometimes the most powerful transformations start right at the front door.